Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Mary the Share Lady. So today I just want to give you a quick tour into our new house that we found. So that's basically it for this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this video. So let's go ahead and do it. So before we walk into the house, let me give you a look from the outside, from the main door. So that part is the backyard, and then we have the front part, so we'll be coming in through here, and this is the front door leading straight into the living room. I've been feeling lost. So this is the living room. I've been feeling empty. And in the living room here we have one window. It's a big window. You can see it brings in a lot of light into this room. I've been holding on to someone that really let me also mention that this house is still under some renovations. That's why you see like it's not cleaned yet. It will be cleaned after everything has been done. Was it worth it? So looking out from the window, this will be the view. Trust me, I will love it. There are roses there, and then there's like a garden outside the window, and then past the garden there is where we have the parking lot. So from the living room you walk right into the corridor that leads to the washroom. So we have a separate toilet and then the bathroom here, and then the wash sink. So this is the toilet. And this is the bathroom. So from the third corridor we walk into the first bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom in this house. So I'm planning to have this as the kids' bedroom. So this bedroom is facing the backyard. And I also forgot to just mention the usual that this house is on the ground floor. I like houses that are on the ground floor, and the good thing about this one, it's not even cold. Also, let me mention that on the flooring, on the living room and the bedrooms, we have the PVC flooring. So it's not cold at all. This is what we'll be having as the closet for the kids' bedroom. Once we move in, I'll just know how to organize it. And then we have a small space behind the door. So that is the first bedroom and also the small bedroom in the house. So from the first bedroom we walk into the second bedroom. Now this is a bit bigger than the other one, and also this bedroom is facing the front side. So once we move in, I'm planning to make this our bedroom. Also the closet here is pretty much the same as the one in the other bedroom. You pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. Yeah, so from the second bedroom, past the corridor, we walk straight into the kitchen. I used to think that you were only mine. Yeah, so one of the key things that I was looking for is just a kitchen that will function, and comparing to the kitchen that I'm coming from, this trusting that will serve me well. As you can see here, there's a storage also. Yeah, so this area I plan it to have like the place where I'll place the washing machine. You can see there's the water inlet pipe and the outlets are already installed, and the socket is already there, so that will be the laundry area. And then this is the kitchen top, and then we have like an extra working space. So I'm thinking this will be much better than what I'm coming from. Yeah, so also the lighting in this room is great. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Yeah, so from the kitchen we have a back door that leads to the backyard. Yeah, so this is the place where I'll be putting the clothes to dry. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Yeah, so this is pretty much the backspace. Time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. Yeah, so basically that's how the house looks like. Yeah, but few things have to be done. The cleaning, all that will be done later on, right before I move in. Yeah, so that is basically it for this video. Do catch me and my family, basically do catch us in the next video as we move in here. Until then guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Thank you, bye, and I'll be seeing you on the next video.